What's going on, guys? We're back. Another travvlogs. We're walking around the Venice Canals. They're very beautiful, a tad bit smelly. Enjoy. Travvlog. Travvlog. So y'all, I don't know too much about the history of the canals, but a nice local fellow just re-informed me that they have been there for a while. They've been here. They were almost the original kind of nest of Venice. I mean, hence Venice, Italy, the canal. So, you know, supposedly they even stretched out further and the city had a lot more of the canal action. They kind of cemented some of it.
To make way for roads in the late 20s. So they've been non-existent like for a century.
Abbot Kinney was the kind of the developer of the area. Full disclosure, I waited a little too long to shoot this, so now we're combining this into a low light and canals shoot off. So let's keep it going. Alright y'all, so we're really pushing what the A7S III can do. It's reaching, I don't know, 1 out of 10 to pitch black. It's about 7.5, so we're getting there. We can still make it look like daylight. The goal though, to be, you know, that nice dusk time, the magic hour, but unfortunately we've already passed magic hour, and now we're entering basically nighttime. The Venice Canals, they exist at night, they exist during the day, so I don't know, maybe this will be the first ever night shoot at the canals. I reckon I'm being lit by the LED screen, the flippy screen. It's now we're about at 9 out of 10 on the darkness scale out here. It's near pitch black. I'm probably gonna get out of here soon before one of these nice residents decides let's call the cops on this weird guy with the camera outside my window. So I appreciate everyone tuning in again for other travvlogs. Till next time, peace.